welfare of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, OBCs, youth, women. He cannot, how can he justify gas cylinder at 1100 rupees a cylinder when Dr. Manmohan Singh's time cylinder was being supplied at 450 rupees a cylinder? He cannot justify. He cannot justify the fact that we have the highest youth unemployment rate in the last 45 years. So deliberately, after the 19th of April, after the first phase of the election, the Prime Minister changed his campaign and started talking of Muslim League, Mangal Sutra, Bhais. He started talking of all these issues. Now, as far as the Odisha Assembly is concerned, that there is a deal between the two is clear. I mean, what was Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav, a BJD elected, a BJP member elected by the BJD. This is extraordinary. If the BJD and the BJP are political rivals, how did this happen? Of course there is a deal between the two. And this is all fake boxing. This is all shadow boxing, what is going on. The fact of the matter is that every time a bill came to Parliament in the last 10 years, I have seen the BJD either support the government or walk out when the time came to take a stand. They never took a stand. But when they took a stand, they supported the government on all issues. They supported the weakening of the Forest Rights Act. They supported amendments of the Forest Conservation Act. They supported amendments to the Land Acquisition Act. They supported at the labor codes, which rewrote all the labor laws. So they did not oppose demonetization of 8th of November 2016. They were not critical of GST, which has destroyed the MSME sector. So the track record of the BJD is to be a B team of the BJP at the center, in return for which the BJP is the B team of the BJD in Odisha. So A team in Delhi, BJP, B team, BJP in Odisha, and vice versa for BJP. So they are two sides of the same coin. ये 400 पार के पीछे क्या राज है? आपने एक मशहूर लोकप्रिय हिंदी गाना हुआ करता था, शायद आपको याद है कि नहीं, मैं नहीं जानता हूँ, पर्दे के पीछे क्या है? वो गाना था, पर्दे में रहने दो, पर्दा ना हटाओ, पर हमने पर्दा हटा दिया। जब उन्होंने 400 पार की बात की, हमने पर्दा उठा दिया और कह दिया कि 400 पार का मतलब है इस किताब को हटाओ और नया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लाओ। यही तो 400 पार है। और इनके सांसद, आरएसएस के नेता, इनके उम्मीदवार, सब लोग कहते हैं हमें 400 पार 400 दो ताकि हम नया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लाएं। तो ये 400, अभी प्रधानमंत्री 400 पार की नहीं बात कर रहे हैं। नहीं, अभी नहीं बात, अभी तो बिल्कुल नहीं, अभी तो बिल्कुल दूसरी बात कह रहे हैं। अभी तो मंगलसूत्र की बात हो रही है, हिंदू मुसलमान की बात हो रही है। आपके पास अगर 2 भैंस है, 1 भैंस कांग्रेस ले लेगा, इसकी बात हो रही है। और अभी क्या, पहली बार प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा है अडानी और अंबानी के टेम्पो से काला धन कांग्रेस पार्टी को आ रहा है।